So we're going to be creating a brand new YouTube channel and we're going to be growing it to 1,000 subscribers in 14 days right now. This method is very simple and you're going to be watching me do it. So if you are a new YouTuber who is trying to get 1,000 subscribers so you can actually get monetized on YouTube, this video is specifically meant for you. If you go to YouTube right now and search for how to get monetized on YouTube in 14 days, you're going to be seeing a lot of videos, and all these videos are talking about these 10 things. Now, this method might actually work, but the truth of the matter is that it will not get you 1,000 subscribers in 14 days. So the question you might have right now is, what is this method, this secret sauce that is going to get me 1,000 subscribers in 14 days? We're going to be practicalizing it and we're going to be doing it together. So I don't think that you need to introduce myself because you already know who I am.
You all know exactly who I am.
If you don't, then that's because you're not subscribed to this channel, and you'll be doing yourself a great favor if you hit the subscribe button right now, hit the bell notification button, and of course hit the like button so this video gets shown to a lot more persons who are looking to get 1,000 subscribers in 14 days so they can get monetized on YouTube. So let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is to create a brand new YouTube channel so we can start from ground zero up to 1,000 subscribers in 14 days. So this right here is a brand new Gmail account. It doesn't have any YouTube channel attached to it. So we're going to be creating one right now. So I'm going to come here right now, and if you come to this email, you click on this space, right, and click on YouTube. It's going to take you straight to YouTube, and right here it says try searching to get started. So if you click on this icon, you're going to be seeing the fact that it says create a channel. We're going to be creating a fresh YouTube channel on YouTube right now. So I'm going to hit create a channel, and of course do the normal ritual. So put in the name of the channel right here, right? Channel name goes in here. Channel name goes in here. The handle of the channel, whatever your channel is about, let's say lifestyle with GEE, Gerald, right? So I'm just going to come. Okay, so this is taken. So you can add a number to it, 45. You know, and this works now. So I'm going to hit create a channel. And once you click on this, a brand new channel is going to be created for you. So the next thing you need to do is to put in your profile picture, brand your channel. All of those things are things that are actually taught in the YouTube Money Secrets training. So I'm not going to be dwelling on that right now because it's going to take us a lot of time. So what you need to do to actually get that training is to go to theyoutubeschool.com and you can watch the free training. That's the first link in my video description. Just click on it. It's going to take you straight to theyoutubeschool.com to actually join that training. So you're going to create a brand new channel and all of those things. It's pretty easy and one of the easiest things to actually do on YouTube. I keep saying it that on YouTube, creating a channel is one of the easiest things to do. The most difficult thing is knowing what to do with that channel. One of the things you actually need to do is to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube so you can actually get monetized on YouTube. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that in today's video. So before I get to the secret sauce, right, that can actually get you 1,000 subscribers in 14 days, right, there are a couple of other things that you actually need to pay attention to, right? Number one is defining your niche and audience, which is what I talked about in my last video. So you can basically click on this link right here to actually watch that video, right? I took my time to actually explain that in that particular video. So when you define your niche and audience, it helps you streamline your content for your target audience, right? So when they come to your channel, they take time, they spend time on it, and of course it affects your retention rate and all of those things. Now you also need to create high value content. I always mention this, that value trumps aesthetics at every point in time. So the most important thing is the value that you're actually putting out inside of your video as opposed to how beautiful your surrounding looks. If you go on YouTube right now, go back to this channel, right? You're going to be seeing some of my first videos on YouTube. They were nothing to write home about, right? But they got a ton of views. You need to also optimize your content for search, right? YouTube is a search engine, and as such, you should create your content for search engine. So that means that when you're actually creating your content, you need to pay attention to something called search engine optimization. Now what this means is that you can actually sit down, plan your content so you can actually rank for specific keywords that have a very high MSV. MSV means monthly search volume. Now I've explained all of these things in a different video. Now the gurus will tell you to post consistently, but if you're posting consistently and you're posting the wrong things consistently, you're not going to get to your destination of 1,000 subscribers in 14 days, right? So it is not a beautiful advice. Posting consistently, you should actually get it right, so you post the right things consistently. Some people who have watched their videos on YouTube will tell you to post your channel on social media aggressively. Now that is a bad strategy, you know, because there's something called retention rate on YouTube. YouTube actually pays attention to how much time people spend on your video. So if you are posting on aggressively on social media, let's say, and those audience are not interested in your content, what's going to happen is that maybe let's say you have a 1 hour video, they watch the first 1 minute, right, and go back to the search engine result page. It is going to affect your video negatively because your retention rate is going to lower and your video will die naturally. YouTube is not going to promote it and nobody's going to ever watch it. So that is a very bad advice, right? So promoting aggressively, you should promote to the right audience aggressively. Okay, you also need to engage your audience, right? You know, respond to your comments and comment on all of those things. Shorts actually help you grow a lot faster on YouTube. Now, I've talked about retention rate and watch time, right? Your introduction should be able to retain people to make actually spend time on your video and watch your video, which is why at the beginning of this video, I took my time and explained exactly what you need to expect, right? That's the introduction, so that you know exactly what to expect. So you can sit down and watch this video until you get to that point, right? So that way the retention rate is high and the watch time is also high. This is something I actually explained in the YouTube Money Secrets training in great detail, so you can actually get it, right? You also need to use end screen and end cards, and of course you can do giveaway and run contests and all of those things, right? It will help you get a lot more subscribers that you're actually getting right now. But there's a secret method for you to get 1,000 subscribers in 14 days, and that's exactly what we're going to be exploring in today's video. So this is a channel I created just for fun, right? I post there, once in a while. So one of the things that I did was that I posted 7 videos, so I can actually teach you guys exactly how to actually grow this. So I'm going to be growing this channel right now from 279 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in the next few days. We might not even get to 14 days. So let's do that right now. So what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to come here, hit here, and go to the YouTube studio, right? So we can actually see the analytics of this particular channel right now. And the aim is to grow it to 1,000 subscribers in this particular video. So we are here. You see the channel is getting views, right? It has gotten 1,400 views in the past 28 days. Watch time is 67, and we're looking for 4,000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube, right? But right now we're focusing on growing this subscriber base. In a different video, I'm going to attack this watch hour and get it to 4,000 subscribers, right? If you want to see that video, let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for those of you guys who are interested, if you guys are a lot. So you see the people that are subscribing to this channel right now. So we want to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers in the next 14 days. So the question again is, what exactly are we going to do? Pay very close attention. So when you come here to the YouTube studio, you're going to come here to content, where it says content, right? You come to content and you go to where it says promotion. Very important. Come to promotion. Now, what do you want to do with promotion? I'm going to come here and hit get started. Okay, pay close attention. Google Ads account, this is fine, or you can create a new Google Ads account if you want to. So I'm going to be using this one, or you can say create new account. I'm going to come here and go to next, right? Audience growth, video views. What's your main goal? If your main goal is to get more subscription, views of additional videos on your channel, this is what you should click on. If your aim is to get video views, you want to get views on your video, right? This is what you should click on. You want to drive traffic to an external website from YouTube. Well, this is what you're going to be focusing on. But in this video, we are trying to get 1,000 subscribers, right? So we are trying to get more subscriptions on this channel. So I'm going to select this guy, right? This is what I'm going to select. Then I'm going to go to next. So it's going to bring me to this interface right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to select a video from your channel that you actually want to use to promote, right? So I'm going to click on this and select one of my videos. Let's say I want to work with document needed for a successful Schengen visa, how to travel, documents needed for UK visa, how to confirm tickets instantly, and all of those things. So let's say I want to work with this. Documents needed for UK visa, right? The one I want to, select. Right, so this is what the ad is going to look like on a mobile phone. So this is where the policies: edit promotion headline, documents needed for a successful UK visa application from Nigeria. I'm going to say get your UK visa approved with these documents, right? I'm going to select this promotion description. I'm going to take this promotion headline, copy this, and drop it here. Or I can basically go to ChatGPT and tell it to write a promotion description for me, so I can actually edit it. So write a promotion description for this YouTube ad headline. So he's going to write something and we're going to look at it. Are you dreaming of moving to the UK? Watch this video to discover the exact documents you need for blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is fine. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to paste this thing right here. And of course, we need to have just 70 characters. So we need just 70 characters. Enter. So ChatGPT is going to write this. Get your UK visa approved fast. Learn the must-have documents now. Okay, copy this, come back to YouTube, add, and drop this thing in here. Okay, so this is fine. Get your UK visa approved fast. Learn this now. Okay, so this is it. So this is what it's going to look like. Get your UK visa approved with this document. That's what it's going to show. Right, subscribe. The screen button is going to show here and all of this. So this is the preview of this. So I'm going to hit next. So you need to remove this exclamation mark. It doesn't allow exclamation mark. I'm going to put dots here, and this is fine. So I'm going to hit and yeah, this is fine. I'm going to hit next. Okay. So who do you want to show this to? We're talking about this a Nigerian audience right now. So we're focusing on Nigeria right now because this particular channel is built for Nigerians hoping to travel abroad. Okay. So we're targeting Nigerians. So if your audience is the US, right, you can say United States and select United States from the list, or United Kingdom, or whatever country at all you're trying to target. You can select that right here. So your subscribers will come from that country. Okay. So we're targeting Nigeria right now. So I'm going to put Nigeria. Right, select Nigeria. So this ad is going to be shown to people from Nigeria alone. So advanced targeting, you can come here and see people that speak English, of course, right? So anybody that doesn't speak English, it doesn't have anything to do with this ad because this ad is in English, literally. Okay, so if your ad is in Igbo or Yoruba or Afrikaans or whatever language, Spanish and stuff, you know, you can actually select that because you are targeting that audience. So this ad is going to be shown to only that audience, and I'm going to be subscribing to your YouTube channel, of course. So I'm going to hit next right now. So how much do I want to spend on this ad right now to get 1,000 subscribers? How much do I want to spend? So it's telling me that if I spend $200 now, I'm going to be getting between 5,000 to 23,000 views on that video. And the impression is going to be this. So let's say, for instance, this is going to get us more than 1,000 subscribers. So let's say I reduce this to like $50, right? So I'm going to say $50. So it's going to say that the estimate I'm going to be getting is between 1.2 and 5.7K estimated. So 13th will make it exactly 14 days, right? But I want to do it faster. So I can say I want this to happen in 7 days. So this is, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I want to spend this $50 in 50 days, right? So it's going to be shown to more persons in a shorter period of time. So this is what's going to happen in just 6 days. So after 6 days, we'll guess where we are and see if we actually need to spend a lot more money, right? So I'm going to be spending $50 on this ad. You can actually spend a little less. Let's say we want to spend $30 on this. So you can spend any amount, $10, $5, any amount at all is completely fine. So this is what I'm going to be getting these impressions. Impressions means that my ad is going to be put in the face of this number of persons, and about 830 to 3.8K are going to actually click and watch the video, right? That's an estimate. And most of these guys are going to be subscribing at the end of the day. Okay. So I'm going to say promotions with a total budget of at least $100 tend to have better performance, of course, right? But we're going to be doing $30 for this ad right now. And of course, we're going to be spending more money if we don't get 1,000 subscribers at the end of 6 days. So country is Nigeria, and I'm going to hit promote right now. So it's asking me, how do I want to pay this $30 for this ad? I'll show that to you guys right now. So you can come here and say create payments profile, organization, individual. I'm going to say individual, it's me, right? So my legal name, I'm going to put in my legal name right here. So I'm going to fill this information, individual, my name, right? My full name, my address, apartment and street is optional, town or city. I'm going to say Lekki again, then this, and states, Lagos. So I'm going to hit create. Right, and the payment profile is going to be created for me right now. So this has been created, Gerald, and this and that, all of those, right? So add payment. How do you want to pay? So I'm going to click on this right now and add my debit card. I actually want to make payments. Now here's the trick. Any debit card you're using, make sure the name is the same name you actually filled in your profile. It's very important. Now, I've had scenarios where people actually use different name and a card that has a different name, and of course their account gets banned at the end of the day. So don't let that happen to you. So put in your card number right here, the month and dates, the expiration date of the card, of course, right? Security code of the card, and of course the name on the card, which should be your name as well. So once you are done with this, you're going to hit save card and make payment. So let's do that right now. So I have filled in the card details, and what I need to do right now is to click on save card. Okay, so this is loading right now. So just chill for our card to be verified. So yeah, so this is our card information right here. So how do you want to do this? You can change from automatic payment to manual payment if you actually want to. So you can actually do that. Come here, click on change and select manual payment or automatic payment. Now automatic payments means that you will be charged on the first of each month for whatever balance exceeds an unknown amount in your billing threshold. Or you can pay for your ads ahead of your ad spend, whichever, right? So I want to use automatic payment. I'm going to leave it at automatic payment. So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, so I'm going to come here and hit promote. So this is loading right now. Okay. So it's almost done. Beautiful. So this is done. It says start to spending. So what's going to happen is that the team from YouTube is going to take their time and analyze this, right? And in less than 24 hours, this is either going to be approved or not. But I don't think there's any reason why this will not be approved. So we're just going to wait for YouTube to finish their investigation, right? And of course, approve this ad. And we're going to come back to actually see exactly how it performs.
A few moments later.
So we'll come back to our new channel, and we're going to see the fact that when we come to content and we'll come to promotions, right, you see that it says active right now, which means that our request has been approved. So it says active. Now look at this goal, audience growth, which is what we chose. We want to grow our subscriber base. And right now we have spent $10. Right now, we have gotten 15,000 impressions and only 280 persons click and watch that video, and 28, which is 10%, actually subscribe to our channel. Now for you, it depends on the kind of channel that you're actually promoting. It might be a little different, maybe a little higher or a little lower. So that depends on the kind of channel that you're actually trying to build, right? So we have 28 and we'll spend around $10. So this means that at around $10, we're getting 30 subscribers. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to ChatGPT and say, if $10 equal to 30 subscribers and X equal to 1,000 subscribers, which is what we actually want to get to, what is X? Simple mathematics. Well, not so simple. I tell ChatGPT to actually do this mathematics for us. So it's going to change, it's going to do this mathematics for us. Cost per subscriber, 10 over 30 and 1 day and while at the end of the day, it's saying that you need to spend around $300 to get 1,000 subscribers. So what this means is that I'm going to come straight right here and of course edit this and increase our budget to $300. So what this means is that if I spend $300 right now, even if I decide to spend it like 1 week, 7 days or 14 days, I'm going to be getting 1,000 subscribers in that period of time. So I'm just going to come here and of course edit this 300. I'm going to change it to $300 currency, 300 right here. Then bring this down. Okay. So I want this to end on the same date. If you want to promotion support, I'll just leave all of this alone. So it's telling you that this promotion started on this date, that we've spent almost $11 and we have this amount more to spend right now. And on this so far, you won't have to pay the budget and all of this and hit save. And also I need you to actually buy subscribers legitimately, real subscribers from YouTube. Now there are other ways to actually get these things done without actually spending any money at all. And that's exactly what I taught in the YouTube Money Secrets training. It's actually a free training. So all you need to do is to click on the first link in my video description or just go to theyoutubeschool.com and watch that free training.